You know that if you want to actually grow your Amazon fast, if you do not necessarily have a lot of capital, FBM is your best bet. FBM is going to help you a lot. If you don't know what FBM is, it means fulfillment by merchant. So we talk a lot about Amazon FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon, when you send all your stuff to Amazon and they take care of everything when it comes to fulfillment, when it comes to actually storing your inventory and shipping your inventory to to Amazon customers when they actually purchase your products in their website. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 tips to actually help you if you actually want to do Amazon FBM, because it's not necessarily easy when you start. It's already confusing enough with FBA. FBM is not easy at all right? So before we actually do, I am now offering one-on-one coaching. So if you need help to scale your Amazon business, it does not matter if you're a beginner or if you're a little bit more advanced. Link in the description, book a call with me. I can help you build a plan to actually scale your business faster and avoid some mistakes that you would have made if you were to actually run your business by yourself, if you were to actually try this by yourself. Book a call, link in the description. Second link, Discord server, best place to actually meet new people and actually network if you want to, because this is one of the things that is going to help you. And I will never say it enough. You need to network if you want to grow fast. It's one of the things that is going to propel you ahead, all right? So link in the description, join the Discord server, come hang out with us. So let's dive directly into the first thing that is going to help you if you actually want to do FBM and scale your business further. And scale your business faster than if you were to do it with FBA. So the first thing that you want to do is look at Hazmat product. If you do not know what Hazmat product is, dangerous product, dangerous goods such as products with aerosol like deodorant, hairspray, some shampoo are listed in Hazmat, stuff like that. You want to look for those products specifically. Why? Because most people cannot sell them FBA, all right? And so if you can find great Hazmat product, you are going to be able to have no FBA competition. And if you know your stuff, if you've watched my videos on how to win the buy box, you know that the fulfillment type is one of the most important things when it comes to actually winning the buy box. And so if you do not have any FBA competition, it's going to be way easier for you to actually win the buy box, right? So first thing you want to do is look for those Hazmat products. You cannot necessarily, I don't think there's a way to specifically look for Hazmat product. There could be, but yeah, what you want to do is just source and you'll come across those Hazmat products. Start by looking at hairspray, start by looking at shampoo, and maybe start reverse sourcing from there. And once you find someone who sells some Hazmat product, FBM, just reverse source them, all right? You're probably going to find some other products. This is one of the ways that I made a lot of money when I was starting. It was really focusing on those products, focusing on Hazmat products, all right? Because as I said, no competition during FBA, great way to actually scale your money faster, all right, to flip your bag faster. Second thing, you want to take advantage of times where FC transfer, when check-in times are slow, because you are going to be able to move into the market way faster, right? So such times are, for example, during Q4, you know that check-in times takes longer. So if you can actually jump on products before, you should do it. Take advantage of that, all right? During Q4, it's going to be like, if you're in the US, take advantage of that, all right? This is why I will be for sure in the US during Q4, because I want to actually take advantage of that. I'm going to go back a little bit into FBM during Q4 because there's a lot of money to be made and you can flip your money super fast. And yeah, people that send the stuff, like you will have a competitive advantage on people that send the stuff to FBA warehouses, all right? That was number 2. Number 3, there's some small replans opportunities that you can actually find if you look at the right place. No, it's not necessarily easy to find, all right? I think the easiest way to find them is I found one of the products that I used to sell FBM, and that was a Replan. I found it like it was super random, like at Target while I was scanning. One of the first time that I was scanning, and it was a slow selling product. But like the great thing is that you have those opportunities where It's slow selling products that you can sell FBM and that are like either MSRP leads or that, yeah, that most of the time are going to be like MSRP leads. And you can find them, you can find a lot actually with tactical arbitrage. And what you want to do is look, do not necessarily set a filter like based on the sales rank. So you want to find those slow selling products that you can potentially replan. And that you can find, for example, I remember I had one at Walgreens. It was like some peanuts, I believe. It was a specific flavor, and it's super easy. Like it's way easier to actually have those products not tanking because they're slow sellers, because people are not going to be able to find them. And the great thing is that you can list them, and it's a little bit tricky. So do not do it too much. But like one of the things is that I was listing those products without having purchased, like without purchasing them yet, because I knew that if I went, one of my products was at Target, one of my products was at Walgreens. And so I knew that if I had a sale, I could basically go to the Walgreens next to my house, get the product and ship it. Like that's pretty much it. Same thing with the Target stuff. With the Target stuff, it was a $10, it was a $20 thing. So I could buy 10 at a time and like all to 10 at a time. But sometimes, I would run out of stock and I would still say that I have stock in hand because it was super easy to get, right? And most people are not going to be looking for those products because the sales rank is too high. The price is not necessarily going to tank. And if the price tank, like just, get rid of the listing. But like there's those opportunities where you can actually jump on and, just list without even putting money down, like without even buying the inventory before actually listing it. So you can do this. Do not do it too much because if you have too many products, it can be done. Like I'm going to be honest, it can be done. But if you have too many products, it's going to start to be hard to manage, and you could run into cancellation issues. Make sure that it's products that are at MSRP or that are easy to find at the price that you need to find them to actually be able to make it profitable. So yeah, do this. And it's an easy way to make money because you do not have to buy the inventory up front, and so there's not a commitment with money. And when you are low in capital, it's a great way to actually get some inventory and get some sales without having to commit a lot of money first, like you do with FBA, right? So instead of paying for your inventory and having to wait like 2-3 weeks to actually get your first sale, you can just pay for the money and get the sale on the same day. All right, pay for the inventory, wait for the inventory to sell to pay to actually buy the inventory. Right, so you can hold to your money a little bit further. All right, fourth tips that I'm going to give you today is you need to know your shipping rates. All right, you need to know the shipping rates and you need to know how to find the cheapest shipping rate. I have a whole video on the subject. I'll link it here. It's on this side. I'll link it here. It's pretty easy. Like just remember the price. Like just remember more or less like the weight. And like the more you do it, the easier it's gonna get. Watch the video. I'm not gonna give you the whole price list here, but like you need to know that stuff. And you know what? I'll make a PDF in the next couple of weeks that is going to help you with this. But in the meantime, yeah, just watch the video, take some notes, and you'll know. But like it's not too hard. It's not too hard to figure out. Watch the video, know your stuff, and also know that sometimes when you ship, and we had someone at this issue actually on the Discord server. It was last week. It was this week actually. I'm not 100% sure. What you want to do is you want to know that Amazon sometimes is going to ask you to ship stuff priority while you could have just shipped it with first class mail. So if you do not know like the shipping plans, like the shipping names, the name of the shipping plans of that. So I do not even know what to call it, but the bottom one, the cheapest one is first class, right? And above that you have priority. For whatever reason, sometimes Amazon wants you to ship the stuff priority while you can actually meet the delivery deadline by shipping first class, which is cheaper. So sometimes they will not even offer you, like 99% of the time it's going to be cheaper for you to actually buy the product, buy the shipping on Amazon, like directly from Amazon. But sometimes they will not offer you first class shipping, all right? For whatever reason, I have no idea why. You can go to pirateship.com, create an account, pirate ship, so pirate like the pirate, like Pirate of the Caribbean, ship, ship.com. Create an account. And whenever you feel like first of all, whenever you do not see first class mail on a product that should be a first class mail, so a product that is like not too heavy, not too big, you should be able to ship it first class. If they do not offer you, like if it's under £1, I think you should be able to ship it first class. If you see that they do not offer you first class, go to pirate ship, and you can probably get the shipping cheaper. All right. So just know that you need to know that and check that. And when you start, always check on pirate ship and to make sure, even if you think that you have a good price, always check because you never know. But the most common case scenario is this one. It's when Amazon will not offer you first class shipping. Maybe there's other case scenario. Most of the products that I was shipping FBM were small products. So yeah, this is the only case scenario that I have in my head when it actually can be more expensive buying from Amazon, but most of the time it's going to be cheaper from Amazon. But always check, because the products that you ship may be different than the one I'm shipping myself. And the last tip I'm going to give you today is you want to get your free supplies from UPS and USPS. All right, so you can go to USPS websites, just type on Google USPS free shipping supplies, and you are gonna be able to order poly mailers, bubble mailers, boxes to ship your stuff that you can use when you do priority. And with UPS, you can get free shipping labels. You can get a big haul, a huge roll of shipping labels. Get this instead of paying for it. Get this. Of course, you will still need to buy regular poly mailer, maybe bubble wrap, and even bubble wrap you do not even need it, because to be honest, you can just put your product into like a USPS how is it called? A USPS priority. Here you go. A USPS priority bubble mailer, and then put that inside your poly mailer. Just so it's inside a bubble wrap, you know. But there's a lot of tricks that you can do this way. I do not know all of them because I'm not that deep into FBM shipping. I did a lot of FBM shipping, but you can do a lot of stuff like that. And a lot of people actually use the bubble mailers from USPS as actually bubble wrap, as cushion when they ship something that, you know, can something that is fragile, like that you do not want to have bumps. So to use that as cushion, you can use that as cushion. The only thing is that this cannot be the outside packaging when you ship something that is not priority, or where you ship something with UPS, for example. You can still use them inside Eden if you want to, and it's a great strategy to actually save money on bubble wrap and all that stuff, and on cushion. But anyways, if you buy a lot of inventory, you should have a lot of shipping peanuts. You should have a lot of bubble wraps that you receive from your suppliers when they ship you stuff. So recycle this stuff. All right, it's good for the planet, and it's good for your wallet. All right, because you are not going to spend money on that. So that was the 5 tips that I wanted to give you today. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, leave a comment, do all that stuff. Subscribe if you want more videos, because I release a new video every single day about selling on Amazon right there on this YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you for watching. Watch these other videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.